Yeah, so this is the Python project for an extraction tool that will extract the data from a PDF file, and then it will display the text along with any tables in it as a CSV file. So here is the code in Python. Before making this code, I first broke it down into three smaller Python files in order to test each one of these modules. So over here in scanned to read pdf.python, I'm testing out the ORC my PDF module. So this module is basically the PDF version of the ORC module. ORC here stands for optical character recognition. So the need for this ORC my PDF was because there are a few PDFs. There's a use case that the user might add in an image PDF. For example, over here in sample one PDF, it's opening. Yeah. So for example, here nothing is selectable. I'm trying to select all the text here, but I cannot select anything because this PDF is not of a text document. This PDF is an image file which was converted into a PDF. So the thing is, how do you use existing Python modules for text extraction, such as PDF Plumber, which we have used over here, PDF Miner, such as PDF Miner, which we have used over here. So how do you use it in order to extract text from an image PDF? So that's what this Python module is testing. This Python file is testing. So S to R PDF just stands for scanned to read PDF. So over here we have imported the Python OCR my PDF module, and after importing it, we have nested it inside a function, and the function is the function define OCR. And over here what we're doing is we are taking the input file, and then we are telling the OCR to take this input file, extract all the characters you can optically see from this, and then save it in the save path by the name of scanned PDF. All right, so once we have the scanned PDF, we will be able to read that PDF and pass it through the PDF miner, which will then take this readable PDF and then extract all the text from it. So in this main.python, it's just a simple extract pages. We are using the extract pages function, which is already inside the PDF miner module. So over here, it will just extract the text and the pages. And once this is done, we will then take the same scanned one PDF into our PDF to CSV. This just stands for readable PDF to CSV file. So over here we are using these two modules, the tabular module and the pandas module. The tabular module is nothing, it's just it uses the readable text from an image. It just uses readable text and then converts it into tables. And we are using this import pandas as PD library in order to display the table inside of our terminal. So we have selected scan PDF over here, and then it goes through all these commands, and it finally pops out a converted CSV file and a converted PDF Excel file. This concat function here is just in case if there are multiple tables, it will just add them on to each other using Python concating. So with all these three modules tested, I made a final script in order to test all of these modules and integrate them into one Python file, so we don't have to run each of them every time. So these are the same things as before, but we are now calling them in this order. All these files have been copied here and given the processes functions as process 1, P1, P2 to P3. Now let's take the same example as the sample 1 PDF. So the sample 1 PDF is this, again an image file. So we are going to run this through this Python PDF extractor tool. Okay, So right now the file path, the input file is selected as a sample PDF, which is inside this folder along with this Python script. So if we run this now, it'll take a while. Yeah. So right now the first process is working. It is converting the scanned PDF, the image PDF, into a readable PDF, which will then be read by the PDF miner tool. So the PDF miner library is working properly. As you can see here, these are all the extracted text that the PDF miner was able to extract from the scanned PDF. And over here, finally at the last, uh, this message just means that the CVS file is generated from all this tabulated data and an Excel file is generated from all this tabulated data. Now the Python process is finished. We will now end this and then we will check over here. We should have three new files, namely scanned one PDF over here and two more files, PDF convert csv.csv and PDF convert XLS. So let's open these up. Scanned one.pdf. As you can see here, now this PDF file is actually readable, meaning that we can select text from here. And let's check out the tables which were extracted by our tabular module. So over here is the CSV file, and there you go. There's also an option for an Excel file to be generated, but it is up to the developer whether which module they want to use. Yeah, there you go. So this is it for the Python backend. As for the front end, over here, let me just this. And just fix this. Yeah. As for the front end, if I run this, so there you go. This is the front end. It has got a heading, what the application will do. It has got a drop box. This is interactable. I'll show you this in a minute. And over here are the about, GitHub, and contact pages. So over here, these are not functioning right now other than the contact one. So over here, you can browse files, put them in. For example, if I put a screenshot, here you go, a screenshot. It comes inside the draggable area. It's showing there. And you can also drag things. So if I were to drag an image file, screenshot, it will be interactive. So this is a pretty cool design element. It also, inside the drag box, the text also changes from drag and drop to release to upload. And if you just drop it in, it will show the preview. As it says here, it supports JPG, PNG, and PDF files. If I were to upload anything other than these, for example, let me pull up yeah, let's just add in a doc file here, document file. So if I were to add a Word document file, it would give you a message, this file is not valid. This is because the module used in Python, the modules used over here, they are not supported. They don't support anything other than images and PDFs, mostly PDFs. So this was all for the front end. The front end uses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the logic used in JavaScript. When you drag the file over here, it stores the file location as a URL inside the browser over here. And this is it. So this was all for the video presentation. Hope you like it.